Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make this amazing thank you PowerPoint slide in just 4 minutes. So tag along and watch the video till end. Let's begin. First of all, what you have to do is cover the entire slab with a rectangle, remove its outline and insert a rounded corner rectangle, and you have to choose a similar height and width for it and then rotate it like this. And next, duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus G about 4 times and group them by pressing Ctrl plus G and duplicate the grouped shapes by pressing Ctrl plus G and then ungroup them, and you have to duplicate them 3 times. And here you go, you have to select them and then group them. You have to also select these images and ungroup everything. So first of all, you have to select the rectangle and then the other shapes, and then go to shape format and merge and then subtract it. And next, go to format background and picture a texture fill and insert your image that you want to insert and use in this video. So the next thing you're going to do is just select some kind of bright color for the shape that we have just subtracted. So this kind of shapes are called freeform shapes in PowerPoint. Next, we're gonna use another rounded corner rectangle of the same size as this first rectangles, and then we're gonna rotate it like this. And next thing, we're just going to adjust it and put it into the center that covers the remaining space, and then we're gonna give it a gradient fill. So I'm just gonna use two color to put in the gradient stops from the background picture. And now let's just increase the transparency of this box. And the next thing we're going to do is increase the transparency of each of the gradient stop a bit. Next, insert a text box in which you're going to write your text, like if it is a thank you slide, so you're going to write thank you. And next, you're going to decrease its size and then put it into the center and the middle of the entire template. Next, what you have to do is change its color to white. And here you go. Insert another rounded corner rectangle, but it have to be a bit larger than the first rectangles. Rotate it as the same direction as the first rectangles. Remove its fill and give it a darker outline of any color you want. So right now I'm going to use white color for now. Duplicate the same shape and you're going to increase its size. And the next thing you're going to do is rotate it like this, something like this, and duplicate it again about 3 times and increase this rounded corner rectangle's outline. And we're going to increase its size, and next we're going to adjust all the shapes. Next, let's just increase its weight. Next, what we're going to do is select these 3 lines and go to animations and give them the spin animation. Go to animation pan, go to shape effects and click on auto reverse, and you're gonna give them a timing of about a minute. Let me just adjust these settings to 360-degree of rotation. And the next thing we're gonna do is select all of these. One of them would go clockwise and one of them would go anti-clockwise, and for all these 3 stops we're just gonna give them the timing of uh, 0.75. Here you go. Here you go. Now the next thing you're going to do is go to shape effects and go to timing and give it a rotation of about 2 times. And next we're going to adjust each of their animation directions. And for this text, we're just going to give it a float in animation, and then we're going to move it onto the above the rounded cornered outline shape. And for this shape, we're just gonna give it the center vibe and shape. So this is the final result, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below.